8 portal. All right, and this portal is absolutely important every year, but let's see what it brings this year, because this portal opens and you are meant to be a stronger version now, like a higher version now. All right, and once again we start with the magic book. All right, let's see what it has for us today. What is the message today? So everybody connect to the energy. Silently you can put up your question to the divine and you will get your answer. Thank you. So before even I open the page, I would like to say, if ever you have to chant any mantra, please chant thank you, because there's no greater mantra than this. It's gratitude is the highest vibration we can be in. All right. Okay. See, the first thing I am seeing here is gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic. All right. So, being in gratitude, whoever is in gratitude will be given more, or he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. So, only gratitude is something which will bring more into your life. Okay, so whatever you are wishing for, whatever you're looking forward to, if you want it to enter your life in abundance, then be in gratitude always. What else is this saying? Okay, so this week, rather I will say the energies now is telling all of us to focus on our health. All right, focus on our health. I think I have chosen the right theme for this week. And health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health. So here the focus is more on having a very healthy lifestyle. Okay, so right now, maybe the universe will push you towards having a very healthy lifestyle, having a very healthy body, focusing more on self care. Okay, I'm going to pull out some tea leaves and see what else comes up. So focus on your self care routine, your lifestyle. As I had mentioned earlier also, that at least 1 hour spend on any physical activity, like you can play some games or you can dance, you can do some aerobics, yoga, whatever it is. Okay, running, jogging, anything you enjoy. So at least 1 hour every day. And let's see what else comes. And early dinners. Yes, early dinners are great for your health. Okay. What else the message? Thank you. Oh, axe. Forces working against you. See, here the forces are not working against you is what I feel. It is like, it means it will look like as if things are working against you, because all the things which are no more to go forward with you are going to be cut off. All right, so it is being chopped out. Anything which is not serving you will be chopped out. It could be painful for some, but as we all know, the split in consciousness has started, and this will bring us in alignment more and more as we move forward. So let's pull out one more card. So something is being chopped off, cut off, ended. It will come to an end. Cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. And here comes just one more. And reconciliation. Okay. So you might be feeling stuck somewhere. So something is being chopped off. Okay, making you free from that. And as if certain things are beyond your control, but it is happening, and there is reconciliation. Means you might be connected to certain parts of yourself which you had ignored, or there could be someone from the past, something from the past which is reconnecting with you. All right, so there is a vibe here where you will feel reconnected to your roots. It could be reconnection with in a relationship. It could be reconnection to your own self, your authentic and honest self. All right, so beautiful energy, and something is inspiring you to take care of yourself more now.